In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable a QR code, also called a Wise tag, on your Wise account. To get started, sign into your Wise account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. This will open your account menu where you can access settings related to your profile and account preferences. From there, open the Security and Privacy section. This area contains settings that control how other people can find you and interact with your account, so it's the right place to manage your Wise tag visibility. Inside Security and Privacy, click on Find Me By. This section lets you choose how your profile can be discovered by others. Now, locate the Wise tag option. Once you find it, turn on the Wise tag toggle. This enables your Wise tag so it can be used for sharing and identification. After switching it on, take a moment to verify that the toggle is enabled. This quick check is important because it confirms the setting has been saved properly before you move on. Next, return to your profile page. On this page, look below the section labeled Your Personal Account, where you should see your Wise tag displayed. Click on your Wise tag to open it. This is where you'll be able to access options connected to that tag, including ways to share it with others. After opening your Wise tag, open the sharing options. In that sharing menu, locate the QR code associated with your Wise tag. This QR code is useful because it gives people a fast and easy way to access your Wise profile without needing to type anything manually. Once you've found the QR code, you can save it or share it as needed. For example, you might want to keep it on your device for quick access later, or send it directly through a supported sharing option. Just make sure you're sharing it only when appropriate, since it connects directly to your Wise profile. Finally, scan the QR code yourself to verify that it links correctly to your Wise profile. This last check helps confirm that everything is working as expected and that the QR code opens the correct destination. And that's it. You've successfully enabled your Wise tag and accessed its QR code for sharing and verification. Thanks for watching.